Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to reach 100 subscribers fast. So before we get into today's video, like, subscribe, go follow my Instagram at BellaGray7609 and make sure to turn on post notifications so you know when I post a new awesome video. Tip number 1 is to upload consistently. If you upload consistently, the YouTube algorithm is going to point that out and it is going to give you more views, watch hours, and subscribers. That is a great way to gain subscribers fast, is by uploading consistently. I recommend one time a week for beginners, and then you can grow. I post every day and my channel has grown so much from that. So make sure to upload consistently because it is a big part of the YouTube algorithm and what it's looking for. 2 is to put out good quality videos. I recommend investing in a good ring light and a good mic. That's all you really need to get started without putting a lot of money into your YouTube channel at first. If you want to buy my microphone that I use in my videos and my ring light that I use in my videos, make sure to go check out that link in my description. I will link it to Amazon and you can just click the link and it will take you right there. Number 3 is to use what YouTube gives you. YouTube gives you a bunch of data. They also give you hashtags and tags in YouTube Studios that you can use that I have demonstrated myself, and I have found out that they increase your videos watch hours and they also increase your views. Make sure to go check out those tools that YouTube gives you. To learn more about the YouTube algorithm and some main components that you need to know when starting a YouTube channel if you want it to be successful, I recommend taking some online courses. They're completely free. I use HubSpot.com and I find it very efficient and very easy to log in and take courses. They don't take a while and they give you the information right at the start. 5 is to use interesting thumbnails. If you do not have any interesting thumbnails, your people or the people on YouTube are not going to click on your video in general. So make sure you make interesting thumbnails. I use Canva and I love Canva. It is amazing. It gives you so many templates that you can grow from. These are some of my thumbnails I used Canva with, so make sure if you want to go make some interesting thumbnails, make sure to go check out Canva. See if people are clicking on your thumbnails. You can go into YouTube Studios and check out your impression click-through rate. This is what it looks like in YouTube Studios, and it is a very, very good tool. Back to what YouTube gives you, that YouTube gives you this, and this will tell you how many percentage of your viewers are clicking on your video. Impression click-through rate is very important because it eventually leads to more watch hours and subscribers. So make sure to go check out your impression click-through rate on YouTube Studios. Number 7 is to download YouTube Studios. It is completely free, and all you have to do is sign in with your Google and YouTube account. It'll give you a whole other side of your YouTube channel with the analytics, and it lets you see your content, your views, how much is normal, less, everything like that. Make sure to go download YouTube Studios on the App Store today. Number 8 is to use a good editing app. I recommend using InShot or Power Director. I love to use these two because they give you a very wide variety of different things that you can do. Experiment with it. Make your YouTube videos fun for your viewers to watch. Hold their attention, because if you hold their attention, the YouTube algorithm is going to put your videos out there more because you're making YouTube money by keeping people on the platform. That is all for today's video. If you want to see a video of anything else YouTube related, make sure to go comment that down below in my description, and make sure to go check out the links in my description. Like this video, subscribe, go follow my Instagram at BellaGray7609. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post a new awesome video every day. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.